Welcome everybody to the Joseph Fredolakis Aesthetics University. I just can't tell you how impressed I am that you decided to make the decision to join us here, and it's a big decision to do that. You're in a class of people that have decided to improve themselves and take their body to the next level. So I applaud you for investing in yourself. And I know you'll be glad that you did. So I want to go over how this course is structured so that you have an overview of how this course works now that you're on the inside. So this course is meant to be consumed in less than 2 weeks. There's not a ton of content on purpose, and so I really want you to finish watching all of the videos within 2 weeks, and it's only a few hours of your time, and you can easily go through everything over the course of 1 weekend. So now some people, they're going to zip right through the online content. They're going to create their workout and their diet all within a few days. You may not be that person, you may take longer, but the goal should be less than 2 weeks. Now I want to point out that although I would like you to consume the content in less than 2 weeks, you have unlimited access to me for 4 weeks from the purchase date of the course, and you're gonna have these 4 weeks to interact with me on 3 different things. So the first is any questions that you have that maybe I didn't answer in the videos or address in the course at all. If you have those questions, you're gonna be able to email them to me. I only covered, I presented the information that I wanted you to have because I know that's what you're gonna need to see the results you want. So I purposely didn't include anything and everything related to the topic because I think most stuff doesn't matter, so I don't want to waste your time with it. If you do want to see other videos, we'll talk about that in a second. So if you do have questions, email them to me. The second thing we can interact on is your technique, your exercise technique. You're going to have 4 weeks to videotape your technique and send that video to me so that I can review it and critique your technique and give you advice. And if you start doing that right away, then we're going to have a lot of time to go back and forth on a lot of different exercises, so I can really give you some pointers that maybe you might be missing because you don't have a coach right then and there available. The third thing that we can interact on is what I touched upon before, is you can tell me what you want me to add on the site content-wise. So in addition to just asking me questions, if there's a specific topic or question that you would like to learn more about, a little bit more in detail, I might be able to make a short video and add it to the course for everyone to see. So I'm going to be adding new content to the course depending on the amount of requests for certain videos and certain topics. So you're locked into the course forever. Past 4 weeks, that's just full interaction with me, but you have access to the course forever. So you only pay once, and then anything that I add to the course, all new content, it's all free, it's all included for you guys. If I up the price later for the new people, that's for them. It doesn't have any effect on you. So I'm really hoping that you guys can tell me more of what you want to see, topics that you're interested in addition to the fundamentals that I present, and then that way together we can really make the course something that's extremely valuable for everyone. So you're going to watch all the videos, and then you're going to take any action steps that you're supposed to. You're going to download the downloads on the left hand side under the download section. You'll see that as you go through the tabs. And during each section, I made all of the PowerPoint slides. They're available for download. So you're mostly going to be listening to me as certain PowerPoint slides are up. You're going to have access to download the slides. I mean, you'll have access to download the whole video, so you can, if you really wanted to, but you can just replay it online so you don't have to download it. And basically the first section that we're going to cover is mindset. A lot of people don't talk about this, but this is the foundation of this program, and it's really your success in this course and your success in life is really determined by your mindset. So we want to address the mindset first and get it primed towards the right direction, right? The second section we're going to learn about is training. Now, we are here to get jacked, ripped, toned, shredded, muscular, all those cool ways of saying we want to put on muscle and lose a little bit of fat, right? So the second week is all about training. And there's also going to be a training log download in the training section where I'm going to show you how to keep track of your workouts the way I do. In the third section, we're going to cover the extremely important topic of nutrition. And oh my God, how important this is. If training is one wheel of the bicycle, nutrition is the other. Without one of them, you're not going to get anywhere. And that's the truth, and it's often overlooked. In this section, there's going to be a few downloadable files. One is going to be to calculate your baseline diet. Another one, or I guess the remainder files are going to be ways to log your food and ways to log your progress. And I'm going to show you how to use everything, so don't worry about it. The fourth and final topic, we're going to be covering all of the ancillary items such as recovery, supplementation, and gym equipment, lifting equipment. And this section is much less important, but I wanted to kind of throw all of the smaller topics surrounding getting a better body in one section. So I put it in at the end. And at the end of the four sections, it's my goal for you to be self-sufficient in regards to your body composition goals. So I don't want to be your coach forever. I don't want to give you a 3-month program and then at the end of it have you come back to me and say what's next, right? I want to give you the tools to be able to make your own program for your own training and your own diet, and for you to know how to make the adjustments according to your goals. So by the end of the course, you're going to have learned a system that you'll be able to teach to others. I mean, there's a lot of nonsense on the internet regarding building muscle. Information is not the problem. There is an unbelievable amount of information on building muscle and losing fat. But what's important is taking the most useful information and applying it, actually just doing it. That's it. That's all it is. Everyone is looking for the secret to a good physique, and there's no secret at all. Everyone who has a good body, they follow simple principles on a consistent basis. No more, no less. So we're going to cover these fundamental principles that produce results for everybody, for everyday people like you and me. And then we're going to leave the more esoteric and advanced stuff to the Olympia competitors. Fair enough?